What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know, back with another video. Whoa, oh, that was a threat with the series. My bad, guys. So what's up, man? Y'all, welcome back to the channel, man. I sound a little nasally. I think it might be allergies, you know? Kind of partying hard the last few days. But anyway, guys, y'all can see what's behind me. We got a 1 box, a 2 box, a 3 box, a 4 box. 4 boxes. And that's right. What can you see the side? What it say? Let me see. Y'all know this symbol. You know, Tosh, you know what that is. That's right, we got the big TISs coming through, you know what I'm saying? That's right, guys, I got some brand new wheels, guys, from TIS. Guys, I'm excited. So, first thing you need to do, they tell you right there on the side of the box. Check fitment, check all fitment wheels for mounting or used wheels cannot be returned. You mount them, you own them. So, that's what I'm doing right now, checking on my wheels. So I'll show y'all what I got, man. Hey, that's a lot of pieces. I did pay to get these from Custom Offsets. I did pay to get them ceramic coated, so they should be ceramic coated. I don't know how to tell, but they should be ceramic coated. I paid for 4 new sensors, TPS sensors. So what I need to do now is just check and make sure everything is in here. No wheels are scratched. I will tell you at the jump, guys. Look at the box, though. This is how the box came closed. Look at this. Beat up. Like, literally, I can see the wheel in there. That one's like that. This one's the same way, guys. Like, look at that. Like, I literally can just go in there and touch the wheel. And I haven't even opened this. This is still closed. This one was okay. But, like, the box underwent a lot of damage, guys. Like, I don't know. And then the last one, this one down here underneath, this one was probably the worst one. It was hole there. Like, the guy, he like, man, when I picked it up from my apartment, the guy was like, yeah, this one basically almost busted wide open. So I got to definitely check that one. So, excuse me. That's what I'm about to do right now. Just about to go ahead, unbox them, make sure everything good. They are pretty freaking heavy, I'm gonna be honest with you. So just make sure all of them look good. Let y'all kind of, I guess, see the unboxing, show y'all each wheel. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, actually. I didn't think about that. But just gonna inspect them, make sure everything good. You know, there's no scratches on them or nothing like that. Like that, see? Look, got a chip right there. So it's very small chip. You can't see it, but that one got a chip on it. Not worth sending back over. Like another chip. See that? That's sad, bro. Look at that, man. So comment below, would y'all send that back? I don't think it's worth sending back, but geez, man, they need to come up with a better way, like packaging this or moving it. I don't know, man. Anyway, go ahead, pull out each one and then just take a look at them, make sure everything all good, and y'all get to see the process, I guess. You know, I don't know if I'm taking my way out. I might just pull it up and examine it. Yeah, here we go. Sheesh. This one covered it all. Look at this, man. This thing wasn't covered at all. I think I found my sensors and everything else. But look. Bro, these scratches? Oh, no. We seen this. Oh. I finally found it, guys. Back here, it says ceramic coated right there, as y'all can see. So, we good to go. I was curious, how do you know? That's how you know. They are ceramic coated. All right. Some paper here. So, we're just gonna lay this back down now. Oh, guys. I didn't realize how heavy wheels are. They heavy. Sheesh. Lugs. Yep. So here are my lugs. Bro, they literally just throw them in the bag, bro. Look at that. They literally just throw them in the bag. No cushion, no protection. Come on, Custom Offsets. Y'all at least could have wrapped them. You know, put them in some bubble wrap or something. Dang, that way they don't be getting hit on each other and scoring, but like that, getting chipped. You see what I'm saying? Look at that, it's chipped. Anyway, yeah, I definitely think they did a better job at packaging this a little bit. Just a tad bit. You know, I ain't know about wins, but they could have just a tad bit. These are my TPS sensors. Yep, here they are. Something else in here. Ceramic refresh spray, something like that for you. Okay, and then like some stickers as well. All right, that wheel is good to go. Gonna close it back up and then open our last one, and it should be done. Holy crap, these things are so freaking heavy. Oh, sheesh. Oh, back. This one's packaged well, looks like it. All right, this one is fully packaged. Yeah. 6 lugs. Let me see. Okay, this one was packaged. Now, this one was packaged perfectly. And it looks good. No scratches, no dents, no ding. All right, so this one's good. It was packaged absolutely perfectly, like perfect. All the other ones should have been. It's a funny story. So I called the shop. I'm getting these put on Friday. I called the shop. I was like, hey, you know, I'm running. He's like, what are you mounting? I'm like, I put in 37s. He's like, 37 on a 6-inch lift? I'm like, yeah. He was like, somebody told you that's gonna fit? I like, nah, so I'm prepared to cut. I know I might have to do some trimming on that front bumper to get him to fit. And he's like, okay, just as long as you know. And so I told him size wheels and all that. So he did recommend I go ahead and get an alignment too, since I'm having more offset now. Might as well just go ahead and do that. So I'm just go ahead and knock everything out at one time, alignment, wheels mounted, balanced. Only thing I didn't know, guys, the stem where you put air into the tire. I thought that they came on the tires of this, but they don't. And the guy at the shop said, we're just gonna reuse the ones on your current setup, which I didn't want to happen because I personally wanted to keep that setup, keep it inflated to where I wouldn't have to worry about, you know, if I need emergency, I can just go grab the other set. I didn't want to have to change the stem. So I need to, actually probably need to call back and see if they got stems up there to put in there because I don't want to have to take my stems out of my 35s. I want to keep those. Size, should I tell y'all the size now? Nah, y'all gotta wait for the size. Y'all see when they put on. I'll tell y'all the size and the offset when you put on. But comment below what size you think they are and the offset, diameter and width. Let me know what y'all think. Before you leave, like, share, subscribe, man. Come kick it with your boy Q. Red, keep going. I'll catch y'all next, baby. Peace.